Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something really special for you. We're going to explore 17 amazing toy gadgets that are perfect for both boys and girls. These gadgets will not only entertain your kids, but also spark their creativity and foster learning. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Kicking off our list is the enchanting Hatchimals Pixies Crystal Flyers. These mystical creatures take flight right out of their crystal eggs. Your kids will be mesmerized by their graceful movements and the magical world they bring to life. It's the perfect blend of fantasy and technology. Next up, we have Botley the Coding Robot. Botley is like a friendly little coding companion for your child. It teaches them the basics of programming in a fun and interactive way. With Botley, your kids will learn problem solving and logical thinking, essential skills for the future. Now let's talk about the Osmo Genius Kit. This is a game changer when it comes to combining learning and play. It turns your tablet into an interactive learning tool. With activities that range from math to art, the Osmo Genius Kit is a fantastic way to keep your kids engaged and educated. Up next, we have the Superhero Bolt. This little robotic ball is a powerhouse of creativity. Your kids can program it, customize it, and even use it to play educational games. It's a fantastic way to introduce coding concepts while having a blast. Let's delve into the world of electronics with the littleBits Code Kit. It's a hands-on experience that encourages experimentation. Your kids can create gadgets, games, and even interactive art using the magnetic building blocks. It's all about sparking imagination. Now here's something truly unique, the Makey Makey Invention Kit. With this, your kids can turn everyday objects into touch-sensitive controllers. It's a fantastic way to blend technology with creativity, and who knows what amazing inventions they'll come up with. Time to get artistic. The 3Doodler Create 3D Pen allows your kids to bring their imagination to life in 3 dimensions. They can create sculptures, models, and so much more. It's like having a 3D printer in your hand. Now let's step into the world of virtual reality with a VR headset. It's like teleporting your kids to different places and times. Whether they're exploring the depths of the ocean or the vastness of space, a VR headset offers endless adventures. Up in the sky, it's a bird? It's a plane? No, it's your child's drone. Drones provide a unique perspective and a hands-on experience with technology. They can capture breathtaking aerial shots or simply enjoy the thrill of flying. A smart speaker can be a great addition to your child's room. It's not just for playing music, it can answer questions, tell stories, and even help with homework. It's like having a virtual assistant at their fingertips. Last but not least, we have another coding gem, the Coding Robot Kit. This kit lets your kids build their very own robots and program them to do various tasks. It's a fantastic way to learn engineering and coding skills while having loads of fun. Now let's talk about Anki Cosmo. Cosmo is more than just a robot, he's a robotic companion. This little guy has a big personality and is incredibly expressive. Cosmo uses advanced AI and computer vision to recognize and interact with its surroundings. Your kids can play games, teach Cosmo new tricks, and even code their own interactions through the Cosmo SDK. It's a fantastic blend of technology and personality. Next up, we have Wonder Workshop's Dash and Dot robots. These two adorable robots are designed to introduce kids to the world of coding and robotics in a fun and engaging way. Dash can move, dance, and even respond to voice commands, while Dot is a bit more simplistic but can be programmed in various ways. With a range of compatible apps and challenges, your kids can explore coding concepts and problem solving with these lovable bots. Lego enthusiasts, this one's for you. The Lego Boost Creative Toolbox combines the joy of building with the magic of robotics. With this kit, your kids can build and code 5 different models, including a robot, a guitar, and even a cat. It's an excellent way to teach them engineering principles and coding skills while having a blast with Lego bricks. Now let's take a closer look at the Ozobot Bit 2.0. These tiny robots are a perfect introduction to programming and robotics. They follow lines drawn on paper or screens and can be programmed using color codes. Ozobot's block-based coding environment makes it easy for kids to create their own commands and challenges, all while learning the basics of programming logic. Sphera Spectrums take music and technology to a whole new level. These smart rings can turn color into sound. By tapping on colored objects or surfaces, your kids can create music and beats in real time. With the accompanying app, they can customize the sounds and experiment with music composition. It's a unique way to blend creativity and technology. Last but not least, we have the Fisher-Price Think and Learn Code-A-Pillar. This cute caterpillar-like robot is designed for preschoolers and helps them learn the basics of coding and sequencing. Each segment of the Code-A-Pillar represents a different action, and kids can rearrange them to make the robot move in various ways. It's a playful way to introduce coding concepts to the youngest tech enthusiasts. And there you have it, folks, 17 incredible toy gadgets that are perfect for both boys and girls. These gadgets offer a perfect blend of entertainment, education, and creativity. Remember to check the description below for links to these products. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.